Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to chamfer. So as example, you can create a rectangle and I will set for the dimensions into 20 and 20. The next, if you want to chamfer this rectangle, you can type chamfer, press enter, and you can set for the distance, you can type D, enter. Now for first distance, I will set into 5 and the second distance into 10 point. Press enter again. Now if you click the first line, it will be set into the first distance 5 and the second distance 10 point. I will click at this line object. So you can click again, type again chamfer, press enter. Now you can tap D, enter to set distance. For the first, I will set into 7, press enter. And the second, I will set into 3, enter again. You can click on the first line and the second line. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial, how to chamfer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.